Yeah, so today we're just going to show you how to pair and calibrate our E-loop commercial. This is a presence version we have today, but it's going to be the same process whether it's an exit version or an in-ground or an in-ground with presence. We're showing this today with an E-Trans 200 and it's quite simple to get set up. So if we have a look at our E-Trans 200 here, you'll see it has this nice little LCD screen and then it's powered here. This one can be powered either by 12, 24 volt AC or DC. Today we've got this powered off our gate board, which is a 24 volt DC output. If you just follow these wires here. We've also got two relays on this unit, which offer normally open, common, normally closed. Today we're just using relay 1, and I've got this wired back to the open input on my gate board. So we're just going to show you, there's two methods here, how to pair our E-loop with the E-Trans 200. We'll show you the first method now. So if you want to take your loop and bring it in close to our E-Trans 200, if you just turn the little dial, code device, if we click that, it'll indicate there loop 1 paired, and that's it. And then we'll just go and place our loop in position. So our second method here just shows us how to pair our loop to our E-Trans 200 if it is already fixed in position or further away from the unit. So first things first, if we can come over to our little dial, over to code device, we just click. So code learn will flash up, the green LED will flash. If we then come over to our loop, using the magnet that's supplied, if we press and set this into the code recess, the code light will blink twice and loop 1 paired will show on the E-Trans 200. Yeah, so once we've got our loop paired, our E-Trans 200, and the loop is in position, you just take our little magnet that is supplied, place this into the set recess, the red LED will blink twice, remove the magnet, the red LED will flash 3 more times. This indicates the calibration process has been complete. So once we've got our loop calibrated and paired to our E-Trans 200, we just want to do a quick run with a magnet. Just place that over the loop and just to test and see does it operate our gate. Initially, once we trigger the loop then, the red LED will come on the E-Trans 200 to signal that it's activated. So the loop we're working with today is a presence mode loop. This has the additional safety feature in which that when a vehicle or magnetic presence is detected, it will keep the latch open on the E-Trans 200. So we'll just demonstrate that now. So we'll take our little magnet here, place that over the E-loop, and as long as I keep my magnet or magnetic presence above the loop, the E-Trans will hold the latch, and you'll see that as the red LED stays on, and it'll also say loop 1 latched. Once I remove my magnetic presence then, we'll see that the latch comes off and the gate begins to close. The red LED will also go out at this point. So at this point then, we can see that the loop has been paired to the E-Trans 200. We've calibrated the loop and we've tested the presence mode is working and all is working as should.